Hello, and welcome to this demo of the Insurance Claims Management Process Accelerator. My name is Rosie Pillar, and in this video, I'll show you what it's like to use the ICM Process Accelerator to manage insurance claims. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the scenario that we'll be using in this video. A property casualty insurance company sells insurance policies. When a customer has a loss, for example, their house catches fire, they are robbed, or their car is in an accident, the customer files a claim with the insurance company. The insurance company then needs to process the claim, typically going through several phases. First notice of loss, evaluation, appraisal, and settlement. At any point in time, caseworkers may have to review documents, make phone calls, check the agency's protocols, send emails, talk with several people, and even create brand new tasks that cannot be predicted ahead of time. In other words, it's hard to predict exactly what will be needed to investigate and resolve the issues, and by nature, the process is ad hoc. Oracle BPM Adaptive Case Management supports this kind of unstructured process, giving caseworkers the tools they need without constraining them with a predefined process flow. And as you'll soon see, the ICM Process Accelerator, which uses an adaptive case management framework, comes pre-built with insurance industry-specific functionality and at the same time is customizable and extensible. For our demo, we picked a property and casualty claim scenario, specifically a car accident, because it is a scenario that most people understand. Before I show you the demonstration, let me introduce you to the players in our scenario. Peter Snow has an auto insurance policy with ABC Insurance Company. He's in an accident and contacts the call center to file a claim. C. Doyle is a customer service rep, and he's the one who creates the initial claim and also dispatches towing services to the loss site. W. Shake is the case manager. He is the overall owner of the claim. S. Zweig is the field adjuster. She's the one who will be examining the vehicle to assess the damage and estimate repair costs. With that background, we're ready to get started. Let's see how the members of the ABC Insurance Company use the ICM Process Accelerator to manage Peter Snow's claim. As you watch the demo, notice how the interface does not prescribe tasks and task order, yet provides the tools and flexibility knowledge workers need to be maximally efficient, thus increasing customer satisfaction. Let's assume Peter Snow, a customer, has an accident. He calls ABC Insurance to report the accident. Let's watch as C. Doyle, a customer service representative, files a new claim on his behalf. C. Doyle logs into Business Process Workspace. He clicks Links, and then clicks Manage Insurance Claims. To create a claim, he clicks Create First Notice of Loss. On this screen, he enters the relevant information. And then he clicks the Loss Details tab. Note that the fields that are displayed depend on the loss type that was selected earlier. Customers can define their own loss types and configure fields in the Loss Details section. C. Doyle then clicks the Involved Parties tab. On this tab, he can add all the parties that are involved in the claim. Peter Snow has already been added as the claimant. Notice that C. Doyle can add a new involved party, for example, a witness. When he has finished, he clicks Submit. A new case is created for this claim. When C. Doyle clicks OK, he is taken directly to the case user interface for the new claim case. The first thing the customer service rep wants to do is verify that the claimant has a valid policy. To do that, he clicks the Verify Coverage Case activity in the Activities panel. In the Verify Coverage Case Activity UI, the customer service rep can click View Policy to view the claimant's insurance policy. After viewing the policy, he clicks the Coverage Verified checkbox, then clicks Submit. Now the customer service rep dispatches a towing service requested by Peter Snow to the accident site, after confirming Peter Snow has towing coverage on his policy. He clicks the Dispatch Service Case activity in the Activities panel. This brings up a map showing the location of the accident. Also, it shows the closest service providers in the vicinity. He selects ABC Towing Services from the Available Service Providers section and clicks Assign. Before submitting, let's assume he wants to change the default email message that will be sent to the service provider. He clicks Edit, suggests that they contact Peter on his mobile phone, and clicks OK. Then he clicks Submit to complete this activity. With the policy verified and the tow truck on its way, the customer service rep will now hand off the claim to a case manager that will handle the claim. He starts by clicking the Assign Case Manager Case activity in the Activities panel. He searches for and selects a case manager. Notice that the status of the case changes to Evaluation, and the primary owner has changed as well. Let's log in as the assigned case manager to do a more detailed review of the terms and conditions of the policy and further validate the claim. He selects the claim and clicks the claim number in the task details. This brings up the case manager's view of the case user interface. He clicks the Validate Claim Case activity in the Activities panel. He can click View Policy to view the insurance policy of Peter Snow. Let's assume he has done that. He clicks the Claim Validated checkbox and then clicks Submit. In a scenario like claims management, new information can become available at any point in time. The case manager will next update the claim based on new information received and after interviewing Peter Snow. He clicks Update FNOL in the Activities panel. In the Case Activity UI, he changes some loss details information regarding the police report that was filed. Let's assume the case manager wants to upload some documents that he has received from the claimant Peter Snow and from other sources. He clicks the Documents link of the case and uploads a photograph of the accident. The uploaded document is now attached to the case. Next, the case manager assigns a field adjuster to examine the damage to Peter Snow's vehicle. He clicks the Assign Field Adjuster Case activity, searches for and selects a field adjuster, enters comments, and clicks Submit. Notice that the status of the claim changes to Appraisal and the selected field adjuster becomes the primary owner of the case. Next, let's watch what happens when the field adjuster logs into Business Process Workspace, brings up the case UI, and reports on her examination of the vehicle for damage. She clicks the Examine Damage Case Activity in the Activities panel and fills in details of her examination. When she has finished, she clicks Submit. She then has to estimate the cost of repairing the vehicle. She clicks Create Cost Estimates. She completes the form. Then uploads a detailed appraisal report. She indicates that the appraisal is complete and clicks Submit. The field adjuster is now ready to submit the appraisal back to the case manager. She clicks Submit Appraisal, enters some comments, and clicks Submit. Notice that the status of the claim changes to Settlement, and the primary owner has been changed back to the case manager. The case manager now creates a settlement offer for the claim. He logs back in. A new task, Evaluate Appraised Claim, has been created by the Insurance Claims Management System and assigned to him. He clicks on the task. In the task detail, he clicks on the claim number. The case manager takes a quick look at the appraisal summary. Then he clicks Create Settlement Offer. He uploads a settlement offer. Selects the Send to Claimant checkbox to generate a notification for the customer, and clicks Submit. Let's assume the case manager wants to send an email to the claimant. He clicks Email Activity, composes an email to Peter Snow, and sends it. Let's assume Peter Snow has received the settlement offer and has accepted the terms. The case manager now records his acceptance. The case manager now initiates the payment that is part of the settlement. As all payments are complete, the case manager can now close the claim. Once this is done, the status of the case is changed to closed. The Insurance Claims Management Process Accelerator also includes pre-built dashboards so you can monitor claim activity. The ICM Operational Dashboard gives you real-time insight into the resolution of claims. This dashboard helps you answer questions such as, what claim processing activities happened today? How many claims are in the pipeline? How fast are claims moving? What is the workload of the case participants? You can also receive alerts, for example, when a claim has been open for more than a certain number of days without a decision, for example, 30 days, or when a claim has a fraud likelihood value greater than a specified number, for example, 90%. The Performance Dashboard shows claim processing performance for a line of business in a given period of time. It answers questions such as, are the claim resolution times improving? How do new claims compare to closed claims in a time period? What were the total claim payments made in a given period? What is the percentage of fraudulent claims in a given period? My colleagues and I hope you've enjoyed this demo of the Insurance Claims Management Process Accelerator. I'm Rosie Piller. Thanks for watching.